Good morning, children. Today's thought is hope for the best, prepare for the worst. It means that in any situation, be optimistic about the result, but always be ready for the worst outcome. Children, today we will start lesson number 23, ascending and descending order of numbers. So let's start. First term is ascending order. ASCENDING, ascending order. Now ascending order means arranging the numbers from smaller to bigger. Now here in ascending order, first we will write the smaller number, then middle number, and at last we will write the bigger number. So this is ascending order. See, for example, if the numbers are 34, 98 and 12. These three are the numbers. Now among these three numbers, we have to arrange these three numbers in ascending order. Now while arranging the numbers in ascending order, first we will write the smaller number. Now among 34, 98 and 12, which one is the smaller? See, all are two-digit numbers. So we will compare the tens place of every number. So here at tens place the digit is 3, here is 9 and here 1. So among 3, 9 and 1, 1 is the smallest. So this number 12 is the smaller number. So we will write this number first, then comma. Among 34 and 98, the 3 is the smaller one. So that's why the number 34 is the smaller. So after 12, we will write 34 and at last we will write 98. So ascending order of number is 12, 34, 98. And children, while writing in your copy, you have to give commas in between two numbers. Okay. Now second term is descending order. DESCENDING, descending order. Now what is meant by descending order? Descending order means arranging the numbers from bigger to smaller. Now in descending order, first we will write the bigger number, then middle number and then smaller number. For example, if the numbers are 34, 98 and 12. These three are the numbers and we have to arrange these numbers in descending order. So descending order is equal to, first we will write the bigger number. Again all are the two-digit numbers, so first we will compare the tens place to find out the bigger number. At tens place, here the digit is 3, here is 9 and here is 1. So among 3, 9 and 1, 9 is the bigger one. So this number 98 is the bigger number. So first we will write 98, then comma. Now among 34 and 12, 3 is the bigger. So this number 34 is the bigger. So after 98 we will write 34 and at last we will write 12. So descending order is 98, 34 and 12. Bigger to smaller. This is descending order of number. Now see one question. Write the following numbers in ascending and descending order. Now here you have to arrange these given numbers in ascending as well as descending order. See first example, numbers are 91, 32 and 56. Now ascending order of this number is equal to, ascending order means arranging the number from smaller to bigger. Now first among these three numbers, we have to decide which number is the smaller number. So all are two-digit number. Then we will compare the tens place of every number. At tens place, here the digit is 9, here is 3 and here is 5. So among 9, 3 and 5, 3 is the smaller. So this number 32 is the smaller number. So first we will write 32, then comma. Then among 91 and 56, among 9 and 5, 5 is the smaller. So this number 56 is the smaller. So after 32, the number is 56 and after that 91. Then ascending order is 32, 56, 91. Then descending order. In descending order, we write the numbers from bigger to smaller. Now among 98, 32 and 56, 91 is the bigger number, after that 56 and after that 32. So descending order is 91, 56, 32. Second example is the numbers are 75, 3 and 70. Now ascending order of this number is equal to, now see here 3 is the 1 digit number and these two are the 2 digit numbers. So always remember 1 digit number is always smaller than 2 digit number. So first we will write this number 3, then comma. Now among 75 and 70, which one is the smaller? Compare the tens place first. In both the numbers, the digit is 7 in tens place. Now we will compare the units place. Now here is 5 and here is 0. This 0 is the smaller, means this number 70 is the smaller number. So after 3 we write 70 and at last we write the number 75. So ascending order is 3, 70, 75. Then descending order. In descending order, first we will write the bigger number. So among these three numbers, 75 is the bigger number, after that 70 and after that 3. In this way you have to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger, descending order means bigger to smaller. Now children, see some example from your maths textbook, page number 40. Now here is one column and in this column also we have to arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. But here instead of giving comma, we put a sign of comparison. Okay, greater than or less than. Now see first example, the numbers are 26, 19 and 47. Now among these three numbers in ascending order, first we will write the digit numbers in ascending order and here we will arrange the digits from smaller to bigger. Now among these three, 19 is the smaller number. So first we will write 19, then give such sign 19 is less than 26 which is less than 47. So here also the numbers are arranged from smaller to bigger. And now in descending order we will arrange the numbers from bigger to smaller. So among these three, 47 is the bigger. So 47 greater than 26 greater than 19. So the numbers are arranged from bigger to smaller in descending order. Okay, in this way you have to solve these examples. So see the second one. The numbers are 62, 85 and 50. First we will write the ascending order, means we will arrange the numbers from smaller to bigger. Among these three numbers, 50 is the smaller number. So 50, then after 50, 62 and after that 85. Okay. And now in descending order, we will arrange the numbers from bigger to smaller. So among these three numbers, 85 is the bigger, after that 62 and after that 50, which is smaller number. Okay. See the next one. The numbers are 32, 9 and 13. First we will write the ascending order, means smaller to bigger. So first the number is 9, after that 13, after that 32. And in descending order, first we will write the bigger number, means 32, then 13, then 9. Now see the last example, 15, 9, 75 and 52. Now 4 numbers are there, but the method is same. First we will write in ascending order, the numbers are arranged from smaller to bigger. Means here 9, then 15, then 52, then 75. The numbers are arranged from smaller to bigger. And in descending order, we will write the numbers from bigger to smaller. Means first we will write the number 75, after that 52, after that 15 and after that 9. Children, you have to solve all these examples in maths textbook only. For writing material and extra examples, I will send you a separate PDF which you have to note down or which you have to write down in your maths copy. Okay, so today we will stop. In the next period we will start next lesson. Till then, happy learning.